Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, please subscribe down below, give this video a like, and if you're the first person to leave a comment on this video, you will get a shout out in my next video. Which reminds me, thank you to Stephanie Martin and Rebecca Martin for being the first people to comment on my last video. I really appreciate your guys' support. All of your comments, likes, dislikes help me out because they help YouTube out to know what you guys like to see. And when you give the video a like or a comment, then it lets YouTube know that you like this video and it will bump it up. It also bumps it up when you dislike, but you know, the likes are a little bit better. So, you know, if you could like, that'd be great. But if you want to dislike, by all means, do that too. Yeah. And don't forget, when you subscribe, you are automatically entered to win my 500 subscriber giveaway. And if you do not know, we are at 483 subscribers today. That is insane. Do you know how close that is to 500? I'm gonna tell you, it's like a little bit more than 15. A little bit more than 15, and we could have a giveaway, guys. Like, that is insane. So be sure to subscribe down below because there will be a giveaway. Obviously, fairly soon because, you know? Alright. Let's get into the video. Good morning. I know that was cheesy. We're going to go into the Jaclyn Hill palette because we haven't done it in a hot minute. And you know what? I really do like the Jaclyn Hill palette, so I have no idea where we're going. I have no idea what we're doing, but we're going to go into it and we're going to have fun. Dang it, I said so. We're going to go into Jax, I'm sorry. So, I'm pretty sure I told y'all I'm going through a rough time right now. I recently took a friend out of my life, and she has been my friend for a very, very long time. And I was talking to my husband, and I was like, you know, it's really hard on me. She's been my friend forever. And he's like, that's the problem. That's the problem, Taylor. She has not been your friend for so long. And I'm like, well, I've been her friend. And he's like, that's it. That's what I mean. You've been there for her. I may not come to every party or whatever she gets going or whatever. But even if she needed someone to talk to at 4 o'clock in the morning, I would be there. Even if she just needed to vent for something, I'd be there. You know, I'm not perfect, I'm not great, but I'd be there. And so I recently took this person out of my life for some issues that I was having. And my best friend informs me that she's been messaging her. And I was like, that's awesome. Like, that's wonderful. That's what I wanted when me and her were friends. It's just she didn't care enough to do it. Like, she didn't care enough to check in. She didn't care enough to make sure I was okay. I'm going to go into Soda Pop and Central Perk. And that's something that really, really bothered me about our friendship. Is like, they'd message me to let me know that they had gotten something new or to brag, but like never really wanted to talk. And I am one of those people that like loves deeply, loves hard. You know, if I love you as a friend, if I love you as a friend, I love you as a friend. Like, I'm there for you. I do what I can. Now, granted, like, money has been tight these last couple of years, and like, I'm not able to go out and like go to dinner, go to lunch, go to breakfast. I'm gonna go into Hunt's right there. I can't always afford to go do something fun, but I am always there. Like, I may not be able to go out to eat. I may not be able to go to this bar or go clubbing in Nashville, but I am always here, you know? And in high school, she kind of like, or right after high school, I should say, she kind of like disappeared. She was moving from friend to friend, couch to couch, doing whatever. And no, that's not her fault. But also, yes, it kind of is, because she would have been allowed to come to our house and stay, my house or my friend's house to stay if she wanted to, if she asked, if she wanted to, she could have. She never asked, she never, you know, put in that effort, so we just assumed she didn't want to. Which she probably didn't. Because she was always ready to go do the next thing. And it's a really sucky time to stop being friends with her because of the situation she's in. Like, she's not in any danger or anything, but, you know, it's just, everybody's got a breaking point, and that was mine, and I was done. I'm gonna go into Cranapple. Cranapple and Firework are my two favorite colors in the entire palette. But obviously you can tell Cranapple gets a lot of love. It's just one of those things where, you know, yes, it's a shitty time to stop being friends, but also it's been a long time coming, and that was just the straw that broke the camel's back. It could have happened any other way. It was going to happen eventually. I knew I was feeling this way for a while. I'm going to go into Firework now. But I'm not the one to confront things. Like, I'm the one that sits back and tries to see if it'll get better. You know, I don't like confrontation. I don't like... I'm going to go into a little bit of SBN. I'm just putting color on top of color because it's blending really nicely. And I'm going to go back into Soda Pop and say, I haven't done like a Ready Copper type thing in a minute, so I'm actually happy with this. It's very red maroon. Do I want a wing? Should I try a wing, guys? I think I should. I haven't done a wing in a second. Okay. I know it's bold. I know it's dramatic. I'm going to go ahead and do my other eye and my face makeup off camera, and I'll be right back. Okay, Now we're going to go back into Central Perk and Soda Pop. I need to clean off this palette. Yes, I'm well aware, but I have the original first packaging that's like hard to clean off, so just keep that in mind when you're sitting here judging me. I got her palette from the first launch in like 2016. Before you come for me and tell me it's expired, I don't care. Probably is. But you know what? I'm still gonna use it. Alright, now I'm gonna go into Jazz. I'm sorry, Jax. We're going for really smoky today. I got a new love you would hardly recognize. It's probably not how the song goes. It's been a minute since I've heard it, and I heard it for the first time the other day. Going into Hunts. Going for super grungy. What do you think? I think it needs to be cleaned up a little bit. So I realize this is a highlight, but it works the same. Grunge, grunge, grunge. What do you think? Okay, now we're going to take, where is my liner? I'm like the most unorganized, organized person ever. Okay, and here on the top lash. On the bottom. Now mascara. I kind of want to do a bold lip with it, but we'll see. We will see. I got a new love you would hardly recognize. So, go. Okay, I feel like I should do both lip. I feel it, I feel it, I feel it. I had no idea where this look was going today, and I actually had plans to put on a nude lip, but I'm a fall ass bitch. I can't line her lips. Go TT on the potty real quick. Go TT on the potty. Alright, that is the final look. This is in Fire Dancer, NYX Lip Tease. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe down below. And leave a comment letting me know how you think I did on this look, what you'd like to see next. And if you stayed this long, leave a little pumpkin emoji for fall. Because I'm a pumpkin spice hoe. Yeah, let's do that. Yeah. Bye guys.